Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys enjoyed my last week videos. So let's start with this one for this week. So this is the one I was talking about at the time, the Striker. Street Striker. I hope I am pronouncing that right. So this one is actually a new casting for 2025. It looks so beautiful, so I bought it. And this is a fantasy casting. So I think this is from the Netflix series they are doing. I stopped watching that after 2 episodes or so because that was too childish. So I stopped it. So again, that is a kids oriented show, so I'm not going to complain about that. But so yeah, okay. So here is the BMW M3 wagon. So this is, you know, this is a STH on this particular case, but unfortunately, mine is not the STH. No, wait. Not this one. I think the Ford 200 is the STH if I'm not wrong. I'm really confused between the P and Q case STHs. Okay, anyway, I don't have the STH. Okay, so this is another new casting for 2025. I really wanted to unbox this one, the Polestar TRX. So this looks okay. This actually looks a bit better than Tesla's. Let's see how this one actually looks in our hand. Okay, another new casting for 2025, which is the Ford Mustang GTD. Again, we unboxed this sometime back during start of this year because I bought this when I was in Malaysia. So I unboxed this in a different color at that time. That looked really nice. So I wanted to see how this color looks. And this is also another new casting for 2025. The Mech Mortre Sperling. I hope I am pronouncing that right. I don't know why they are giving names like this for a car. Mech Mortre Sperling. That is how I'm going to pronounce it. If it is wrong, I'm sorry, guys. Okay, last but not least, treasureant of this particular case, the Triumph TR6. So I do like this old Triumph cars, but I need to see how this one actually is. You can see the treasureant logo here. At least I'm able to get the treasureant. Okay, I bought all this for 179, which was the MRP. So stay tuned for this week's video, guys. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Goodbye.